Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Apple Pay account being locked or restricted. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open the wallet application on your iPhone. It comes inbuilt with your iPhone. So it should be on your home screen, this application right here. You just have to click on it, click on the plus icon, and then you have to select your Apple Cash account. If you haven't already, you can add your Apple Pay account here or apply for account if you haven't already. And if you have already done that, just click on the plus icon, click on your Apple Pay account and click on verify your identity. If it still doesn't fix your problem, just go to the iOS App Store, search for Apple support here and download this application right here, and then just contact Apple support through this application and tell them about your Apple Pay issue, and they will fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video will be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.